So hi everyone. In the last video we have learnt about the nomenclature of heterocyclic structures. That is how to name the heterocyclic structures in the medicinal chemistry. Okay. And today we will start from the antibiotics. And the very beginning I will tell you some very basic points about the antibiotics chemical structures which are mainly related to the antibiotics such as penicillin, cephalosporin and all these things. First you will remember these things and understand that, then only you will be very easily understanding the chemical structure of antibiotics also. Okay, so for example penicillin and cephalosporin, they all are comes under beta lactam antibiotics. Okay, so in the beta lactam antibiotics, okay, first of all I'll tell you the classes of antibiotics. In that you will see number 1 beta lactam antibiotics, beta lactam. After that you will see aminoglycosides. Then you will see tetracycline. Then number 4 you will see necrolides. Now I'll tell you the things that all these beta lactam, aminoglycoside, tetracycline, macrolide, these all are related to their chemical structures also. Okay, they are named in their name, their chemical structure is hidden. For example, in the case of beta lactam antibiotics, you will see the beta lactam. Again, two antibiotics will be there. Number 1 is penicillin, second is cephalosporin. So both penicillin and cephalosporin are related with their generalized name, that is beta lactam. Why? Because see, what is lactam first of all? Lactam, you will see, for example, C double bond O single bond C, what is it is called? It's carboxyl group. Okay, but when you will see R O R, what it is called? It is called ether. And when you will see R C double bond O single bond O again R, that is called ester. That is called ester. And again you will see C double bond O single bond NH2 or NH or whatever. If it is last, then it will be NH2, and if it is in between, then it will be NH, and again bond will be there. That is called amide. So what is that? Carboxyl group, ether, ester and amide. So that is simply called amide. But when you will see a cyclic ester, that is called lactam. Now see, for example, in the case of beta lactam ring, you will see a structure like that. What is that? That is carboxyl group. What is that? NH2 group or NH group or whatever. So when this nitrogen is at adjacent position with that carboxyl group, that is called amide. And when it is in cyclic structure, see this one is cyclic structure, right? That's why it is called lactam ring. And when this lactam ring is connected with 5-membered structure, how many members are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is called penam. That is very important and the basic structure of penicillin. What is that? That is penam. Once again. So that is penam. And if you see the same lactam ring connected with 6-membered structure, like that, that is called cepham. What is that? That is called cepham. And it is also the basic structural scaffold of cephalosporin. What is that? Cephalosporin. So you have to remember now why it is called beta lactam. Why? Because see, the numbering, whenever you will see, that is called carboxyl group, and the adjacent carbon is named as alpha, and after that the second carbon is called beta. In the same way, that is alpha, but it is not carbon, since it is nitrogen, we will consider this one. So alpha, beta. See, now the 5-membered ring that is connected with beta position of the lactam ring, that's why it is called beta lactam ring. And that's why this penicillin and cephalosporin comes under the class beta lactam. Okay, now we will see how to name that penicillin and cephalosporin. Okay, today we will see only the penicillin because the video is going to be very short. So today we will see only penicillin namings. So penicillin is named in 4 ways. What are they? Number 1 is called caste system. Number 2 is called USP system. Number 3 is called derivative of penam. And number 4 is derivative of penicillinoic acid. Okay. Now what is that caste system? What is that? In that, first of all, in the case of caste system and USP system, you will get confused. So you have to remember, in caste system, S is there. S is in the last. So when you will start naming, first let me draw the basic structure of penicillin. So this is the basic structure of penicillin. In that, you will see in the naming, caste S is in the end, in the last. So you will start naming from this one. S 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the first priority is given to S. What is that S? Sulfur. In the USP system, you will name that S, or what it is called, you will give that priority in the last. Okay. So numbering will start from N, like that. That is lactam ring. That is sulfur. That is 5-membered ring. In that 2 methyl group are also there. CH3, and you will see one carboxylic acid is there. Okay. Same here. C double bond O, single bond OH, and here CH3, CH3. So when you will see this one, that is called chemical abstract system, and that is called United States Pharmacopoeia. So in caste system, S will be given first priority, and in USP system, nitrogen N will be given first priority. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. Okay. Along with that, you will see some SI group are connected there. Okay. So N, C double bond O, single bond R. Okay. So that group is called acyl amino. That group is called acyl amino group. Okay. Now you will name, how you will name? Okay. After the derivative of penam and derivative of penicillinic acid, these are very easy. I'll tell you why. Because penam is this one, right? Let me draw the structure. One second. So in that, see, what is this? This is lactam ring, right? This one is lactam ring. So this one is penam again. This one is penam, and that is acyl amino group. That is acyl amino group. These are methyl group, and this is carboxylic acid. Okay. So how you will start naming? In the case of caste system, numbering will start from sulfur. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the 6th position, what are they? Acyl amino. So you write 6 acyl amino. 6 acyl amino. Then 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. Then at 7th position, 7 oxo. Then at 4th position, nitrogen. At 1st position, sulfur. So that is called thia, that is called aza. Az comes first. So you will write 4 aza. Then 1 thia. Then 1 thia. Then third 3 carboxylic acid, right? So heptane, HEPT, heptane, 3 carboxylic acid. Okay. That is in the case of caste system. In the case of USP system, how we will write the name? In the case of USP system, numbering will start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in the same way again, in the case of USP, numbering will start as numbering will start as 6. Again same thing. 6 acyl amino. 6 acyl amino, then 7, before that 3. So 1, 2, 3. 3, 3 dimethyl. Then at 7th position, 7 oxo. Then at this one is at 4th position now. So 4 thia, 1 aza, but A comes first. So 1 aza. then 4-thia, then heptane, 3-carboxylic acid, 3-carboxylic acid. Okay, so this is number 1, this is number 2. Next, number 3. Number 3 is very easy, that is derivative of penam. So this complete structure is called penam. Which one? See, this structure, oh my goodness, this is totally. Let me draw the structure again. Okay, in that, this is completely called penam, right? So along with that, you will see only SI amino group will be present here, right? So you will simply say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 position. So 6 SI amino, 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 SI amino, 3,3 dimethyl. 3,3 dimethyl. What it is called directly? Penam 2-carboxylic acid. Okay? That is the derivative of penam. Again, derivative of penicillinic acid, that is more easy. In that case, you will simply say 6 SI amino. Now this completely it will come under penicillinic acid. So 6 SI amino, 1 2, 3, 4. So 6 penicillin, 6 SI amino, 1 thia penicillinic acid. So this is the 4 different types of naming or nomenclature of penicillinic acid. Okay, thank you so much.